Okay, in today's lesson, we'll be doing this. I will share my screen with you. 1 minute. I will share the entire screen.
Yes,
Yes, and here, do you see my screen? Great. So this is our plan for today. Read this plan, please, and I will listen.
Today's lesson, we will the first
In today's
SSH
lesson, we'll SSH into
into my Ubuntu server, view NAT and move a file.
via it means
Via
through, via NAT and move a file.
via NAT and move a file.
Yeah, we'll move a
Set
Casper film.
okay.
Yes.
Create an AWS
Create an
account.
AWS account. And
AWS
3,
account. Install Google
Authenticator.
Authenticator.
Repeat after me. Install Google Authenticator.
Install Google Authenticator.
Authenticator
Authenticator
on our
on
phone.
our
Why do you think we need to create an account on AWS?
no AWS. It's for what is it?
AWS is a cloud.
Like cloud.
We will create a virtual machine on AWS and we will SSH into that virtual machine. Repeat after me.
We will create a machine
A virtual
in a
machine.
virtual
We'll
machine
create
in
an Ubuntu server on AWS. And this is
yes and
why we need to have an AWS account. Just
okay.
like I do it, just like we do this with Oracle VirtualBox. So here we can create a virtual machine, and this virtual machine performs the function of a laptop or of any device that is connected to my router, right? So now tell me, what was your homework? So try to tell me what I sent you.
My homework was I must understand what is it net, what is it CG net,
CGNet.
and how to what is it port 22
Okay,
2250.
tell me how to SSH into my Ubuntu server. What do I do first? How do we create
I
a virtual machine? So we need a special program called Oracle VirtualBox. Yeah. Think of Oracle VirtualBox as our future AWS cloud. On AWS, we'll create virtual machines. So for our viewers, of course, we didn't show how to install Oracle VirtualBox, but it's not that hard. So first, of course, we need to install this program or app, on our machine, in our system, and then in our future lessons, we'll create a virtual machine because your Ubuntu server is broken. So, and we'll do this right during our lesson to show our viewers how it's done. So I need to launch my server, Ubuntu server. Tell me about the difference between NAT and bridged.
net
How do you
net
understand this system, NAT? Why do we need NAT?
ну net как будет менять
Change.
net change
Changes.
uh, public IP on my private IP, and net change port.
Changes.
Uh, Changes port, for example,
Okay,
on
tell me how. So I have my laptop.
yes.
Yeah. I am in my part of the world. You are in your part of the world. I have a lot of information on my laptop. For example, I have 5,000 films.
Mm-hmm.
I tell you, you can access my laptop and move any film from my laptop to yours, and you will watch that film. What is NAT? NAT is when I open a port on what?
When you open port, uh, net change your IP address and your port
Changes.
and changes
Explain in
and
your words. Explain in your words. Okay.
create.
Okay. CMD. Yeah, for those who haven't watched the first two videos, please, it's mandatory that you watch those videos. Because without watching the first two videos, it will be very hard for you to understand, unless, of course, you have some knowledge about this. What command do I type here in my Windows command prompt to see the IP address of my router?
IP in window IP
ipconfig. So here, what is it? Default gateway. What is it? This is
it's
the IP
your
address of my router, right?
browser, yes.
So I go here and I put it here. And now I entered my router. How can you access my laptop? Yeah, for that I need to click advanced, then NAT forwarding, and here port forwarding, and here add. Service name, I can type anything here, anything. Device IP address, what do I need to type here? The private IP address. This is the IP address of my device, right?
Mhm.
So for example, I have a laptop here, and here instead of a laptop, I can use my virtual machine, right? No difference, right? So here
Mhm.
I type, think of this Ubuntu server as my laptop, which you will access. So for example, you ask me, Alex, can I please download a film from your laptop? I know that you have a lot of films. How can I do that? Here what I do. It's NAT. It's NAT. So I need to switch to breached adapter to breached here. And we will see, and I will see the IP address. Okay. Now I need to wait a bit. And now I think it should change. See? So
Mhm.
192.168, yeah, C3 here. And I copy, and I need to enter this. Think of this virtual machine as my laptop. So I put it here. So I open my laptop, and on my laptop I have Ubuntu server system, operating system. So here I type, for example, this is my IP address, private IP address of my laptop. What is external port?
Yeah, like a
I
thousand
can
or
open a door on my router. Yeah, for
yes.
example, I forward this port. Yeah. And here, internal port is usually SSH ports by default 22. Yeah, and then I save. Then I save. And you will be able to access my laptop. Yeah, but how? What else do we need for that? What else do we need for that?
Create a AWS account.
So here, breached. What is breached connection? Breached adapter. What is this? What does it mean?
Like,
When both devices are connected to the same router. And NAT?
and that when laptop connect on a local
NAT is
IP.
when you enter my router, my laptop, through my
Ah,
router. Breached, like my laptop and my computer, they are connected to the same network. They are both connected to the same router. This is why I can easily access, I can SSH into my laptop from my computer, right? But if my laptop is connected to one router and my computer, Windows machine, is connected to the other router, then I cannot do that easily. And for
Continuous
that
use
it's
yet.
NAT. NAT is what we call NAT. Yeah, I forward a port on the router to which my laptop is connected. Yeah, there I put here, and on this router I type or insert the IP address, private address, yeah, of my, this is what we call private address of my laptop. Open a port on that router to which my laptop is connected. And internal port is inside my laptop. Yeah, 22. And this is how you will be able to SSH into my laptop. Understand now? Do you understand? Because I'm not sure that you fully understand this.
I understood, but it's very hard to explain.
In English, yeah, because, yeah, so you just say, I understand everything very well, but it's hard for me to explain this in English. Repeat after me, because I'm also an English teacher. For everybody who is watching, I also give English lessons, private English lessons. Okay,
Um, I very well understand how it works, but it's very hard for me to
explain
explain.
in English.
Yes,
In
in
English.
English.
Yes, but our lessons have to be only in English. Yeah, and if our lessons are in English, it means that will be watched not by just Russian or Ukrainian speaking people, yeah, but Chinese, Vietnamese, Taiwanese, you name it, yeah, by foreigners, and it's great, right?
Mm-hmm.
So, and how can I simulate this with my virtual machines? So here I change the network from breached to NAT, right?
Mm-hmm.
And now what do I do? Network, and here I do just the same. Yeah, so host port is similar to external port. For example, it's the port, it's the door on my router through which
Mm-hmm.
you access my apartment. Yeah.
And internally, it's door on your laptop.
Yes, inside my laptop. This is how you enter. So first you enter my router, my apartment, and then I can add a lot of devices here, a lot. For example, I have 5 different laptops connected to this router, and you can
Mm-hmm.
access any one of them or each one of
Mm-hmm.
them. Yeah. For example, on one laptop I have cartoons. On laptop 2 I have horror films. Yes, on laptop 3 maybe some other films. Yeah, so and yeah, this is how you can access each one of them, right? And move a film or maybe something else to your computer, to your laptop, maybe to your device. Understand how it works?
Yeah.
Yeah. Now it is configured properly. Yeah. Now I have a host port, external port, and internal 22 because by default SSH listens on port 22. SSH name. We can give any name, but I decided. And what is TCP?
TCP protocol.
This is how information is sent. The data is sent in packets. Yeah, so in packets. In our future videos, I will show you how the information is sent in packets. If one packet is broken, if something goes wrong, it says no, sorry, something went wrong. I need to start from the very beginning. Yes, like this. TCP. So usually all the data is sent with TCP on the internet. When you move when you SSH into my laptop and move a file from my laptop to yours, it is sent via TCP or with TCP protocol. And now, how do I SSH into my virtual machine? And this virtual machine, yeah, represents or yeah, can be replaced by something physical like my laptop. Yeah. And now here, how do I SSH into this virtual
Type
machine?
SSH
SSH. Next.
username at
My
your
username is server at and the IP address.
the IP
We don't need the
address.
IP address
Why?
because it's not bridged anymore. We need what? If it's
Oh, we
NAT,
need
we
type
need
port.
public. We need a public IP address. What is a public IP address?
Public. It's IP address your router.
No.
No.
One more time.
Mm.
Look here.
No, world can see this IP address,
So
but
for now, I don't have a real public static IP address. I have what we call CGNet. So a lot of people have the same public IP address. Because I don't
mhm,
have an individual public IP address, you will not be able to reach my apartment, my router. Yeah, I need to call or I need to contact my internet service provider and tell them, guys, give me my personal public IP address. And they tell me, now you pay 250 hryvnias monthly.
mhm,
But with your like personal static IP address public, you will pay 320 hryvnias. It will cost you additional 70 hryvnias monthly. Understand?
mhm,
And if I get a real public, my personal public IP address, public IP address is the IP address of my router. Yeah, my
mhm.
and private IP address is the IP address of my device, of device of laptop or of my laptop or maybe Mac Mini, which are connected to this router. Understand?
Yeah.
So I go inside my router and here I configure this. So first you enter my apartment through my public IP address and then I type here the IP address of the laptop, which you will enter with SSH, yeah, into which you will SSH. And here configure everything. I open a port, it's called port forwarding. And then internal port by default SSH listens on port 22. Yeah. How do I see my public IP? I type curl, yeah, ifconfig me. See? For now I have CGNet. A lot of people have the same public IP address because I don't have my personal. Yeah. So, and here, just we'll try to simulate. We'll try to simulate. I know that it's hard. I think it's hard, right? To understand. Well, not really.
Not really. No, you must. Now you must open SSH folder and
Yes,
find
SSH,
where
and now server.
uh, server
Mhm.
at.
What do I type
Uh,
next? So now we are simulating its virtual machines. Instead of my public IP address, I type what a local host. What is this?
local 8.
127, right? The
One,
IP
one.
address of the local host is like when computer is speaking to itself. When a computer is speaking to itself, right? So 001, right? And
It's your local
yes,
host.
if it was the real world, this is how you would do. You would type here instead of my local, yeah,
Mm-hmm.
IP address, you would type my real static IP address. So you on your laptop, you have a Windows machine. You what? You type Windows R, a combination of two keys. You press a combination of two keys, and then you open command prompt, yeah, and then you SSH, yeah, type SSH server, and here we type -p, the name of the port, and now 222, right? Because this is the port which I opened. Understand?
Mm-hmm.
Or is it? So settings, network. See? 2 4s.
Mm-hmm.
And now it should work, I hope. Yeah, see? Understand. And
Yes.
now, for example, you want to move Casper from your device to mine. I tell you, Nastya, please send me your film to my laptop. I know that you have a lot of very good movies on your machine. Please send me, and I will watch Casper. And you do what? You press
Type
Windows
C.
R, right? And then, for example, on your machine, you have Casper here, right? Inside this folder. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
G // yeah, Casper. And this is the path, the route, right? Or the route, yeah, to the file
Mm-hmm.
that I ask you to send me. And then you do this. You specify the path on your machine to the file that you want to send to my machine. Commands here. Yes, and you copy this. Yeah, because, yeah, I try to remember. But what is rule number 1? Never learn commands by heart. Yeah, this is why I created a special folder with lots of different folders in it where I have a lot of commands, because it's impossible to learn these commands by heart. Yeah, it's possible if you use them quite often, but why do we need to do that? Yeah, it's this is why in the future we'll create a wonderful website built with Django framework. We'll be adding a lot of commands in our database, and then we'll be fetching it, but it will be in our future lessons, so it's going to be very interesting. So please, for everybody who is watching, subscribe to our channel, because it's our, yeah, AI is replacing IT specialists. Yeah, I understand that. And who knows, maybe in the future, AI will do even this. But I don't think that AI will replace us. No, because there will still be people in demand or even in high demand who will be able or who are able to do this, because AI is AI. What is AI? AI is dead. Yeah, we can ask AI to help us, but it is dead. We cannot fire AI. We cannot hire AI. Yeah. So here we copy, and now let's try. Let's try. And it's I need to use this. Do you think it will work now? So SCP is how we move files. -p is port. Yeah, the number of the port. The number of the port. This is what? What is it?
Row
The
path.
path. The path on your machine, on your Windows laptop. And this is the path on my machine. If it was in the real world, we would have my public IP address. Yeah. For now, it's CGNet, but it will be my personal public IP address. Yeah, and I think I will do that, and we'll practice. And you will enter my laptop, you will access my laptop, and you will see everything. And I will send something to your laptop, and you will send something to mine. Cool, right? It's cool, yeah? And now
Yeah.
enter. See, it's happening. The file is being sent. And now the file is sent with TCP, yeah? Because the
And
file is sent in packets.
can you send this video, for example,
Vice versa,
from?
in the opposite direction. Yes. Yeah. Do this from my server, from my Ubuntu server to yours.
I must open.
I must open.
I must type in my
Yes. Yes.
command
You
in my.
open your you press a combination of two keys. Yeah, Windows plus R. Yeah, and you will get the film. Yeah, but here I will have to specify the file. Yeah. I will tell you the folder. I will tell you, yeah, but first, yeah, you can SSH. You can SSH into my, yeah, see what it's sent. 100%. Do you see this? Yeah, and if you want to see the content of my laptop, yeah, you do what? You SSH, yeah, server, and then what do we type here? 127, yeah, because it's my local. Now my computer, my host machine, yeah, on which I have create all these virtual machines, my Windows machine, yeah, it's my host. Yeah, it's talking to itself. This is how we are simulating the real situation. Understand? Yeah, but in real life, instead of the local host, you will have to type my public IP address. And here port 222. And now you will be able to, and now you, after you SSH, you can go through my laptop and you can see everything that I have on my laptop. And oh, what do you have in this folder? Let me go inside this folder. What is DJ? What is it? DJ? Or yeah, or maybe what is it that you have inside CD Django project? I wonder. Maybe you have something interesting inside that folder. Yeah, and type ls. Yeah, and then you open another window, command prompt, and you do this. Understand? Now you understand. And this is exactly why we need AWS. We can create this virtual machine. If I don't want to forward a port on my router, yeah, although it will be cheaper, of course. Yeah, we will create a virtual machine there, and we will store all the information there. Yeah, and there we can create a website, and this is how people will be able to enter my website. Yeah, and now please try to tell me what you how you understood this. What is public address? What is private address? What is NAT? What is now tell me about the difference between the public IP address and the private IP address first.
Public IP address,
The public IP
it's
address of the
the public IP address. It's IP your router.
of your router, the IP address,
Your router.
yeah, that the provider gives to me, to my router.
Yes, and the private IP address, it's like IP your laptop or your computer. You can have a lot of computers, and uh, it's a lot of private IP address.
Yes, and each
Yes.
device will have its personal IP address, private, yeah.
Yeah.
They will all have different IP addresses. hmm
Mm-hmm.
NAT and breached. Please tell me in English the difference between NAT and breached. I have asked you
Okay.
5 times, and maybe now it's maybe more.
It's, breached. It's when,
Two
for
devices
example, two devices connect
or
in
three maybe
one
devices, why just two, are connected
uh,
to
connected to one
the
router,
same router. Yes.
to the same
And
router.
NAT,
Yes.
why do we need NAT?
Net we use when I when my laptop when my devices not connect in the same router.
When they are connected to different routers. Yeah.
Yes, different routers, and
And it's
we.
difficult because they are two different systems, two different houses. Yeah. You cannot go, you can't simply enter my house. You need a key to enter my house or a door. Yes, you can enter my house only if a door is open. Yeah, if the door is not
Mhm,
opened, how can you enter my house? And this is what NAT is. Yeah, and if they are breached, like think of them as you are inside my house already. Yeah, like this.
mhm.
Okay.
Yes, and we open the port
Open a
in
port, or it's called forward a port.
forward port.
Mhm.
Yes, and after that we can SSH, mm, and that's all. No,
Yes.
with net.
And why do we need to SSH in the first place? Why do we need it?
Why do we need to SSH?
Yeah, to push or to pull information data. Yeah,
Yes.
yeah, great. Or maybe I store a website there, for example. Yeah, and
Mhm.
this is how criminals exchange information. Yes, yes. By the way, yeah, this is how a lot of illegal stuff is sent on the internet. Yeah, for example,
Mhm.
maybe like people can sell a lot of forbidden or banned information, prohibited information. It can be like drugs, yeah, or something very bad, something, yeah, and this is how it's done. Understand? So we are now hackers. We are becoming hackers. Okay, now share your screen with me.
Mm, I can't now.
Sorry, I need to. I always forget. No, no, no. Tools, participants. I know,
I
advanced,
know.
advanced, share. And now we'll be doing what? Creating
Great.
an
Now.
AWS account.
Okay.
Mhm.
I must open my.
Yeah, go open your browser and type AWS free tier. Free tier. Yeah. Oh. Mhm. Find this. Scroll down. No, 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 no. Scroll down. This one. Yeah, free cloud. Yeah, computing services. Yeah. Do you see it? Click on it.
Mhm.
Hmm. Why do you have everything in Russian, in Ukrainian? Everything should be in English. Translate to English.
Uh,
Refresh. Yes, now it's much better because you always need to, if you want to become a real IT specialist, remember everything should be only in English, not Chinese or Spanish or German, English. Yeah, create a free account. And now here we go. Here we go. Root user email address. Type your email address. Don't worry. I will delete all the sensitive information. Yeah, I will go through
mhm.
that video and I will remove all the sensitive information. So you can create any account name. For example, Nastya DevOps. Nastya DevOps. No, no, lowercase, lowercase. Nastya hyphen DevOps. Maybe hyphen, okay, or underscore. Yes. Now you should have received a verification code.
Mhm.
Put it here. Verify. Yes, and now you need to come up with a good password. Remember, it's numbers. Yeah, I do it like this. First, I type numbers, and then and then letters. And the first letter should be capital, uppercase.
Mhm.
Yeah, but try to do something. No, just try to think because it's important because your
Okay.
information could be compromised. Are you sure that it's safe? Okay.
Yes.
Yes, and now here, free 6 months, free. Choose free plan, not paid. Yes, and here now you should stop sharing your screen,
No.
and now you
Okay.
need to add your yes, but do in English. Yeah, say in English what you are doing. No, no, stop sharing, because nobody needs to see your card, the details of the
Ah.
card.
Right.
Yes, and now
Right.
do this and tell me what you're doing in English. It'll be good practice for you.
Okay. I type my full name.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Диченко. Uh, Organization name
Any
optional.
home, you can type home or I don't care. Street,
Okay.
home, school.
Country code.
Hmm?
Ukraine.
Hmm.
Mm-hmm. And my number.
Nobody should know your number because
One,
you will get a lot
two,
of calls
three.
from men.
Address line. It's my. Okay. Mm,
Hmm.
Так, address line. Вот why. Okay. Mhm. An address is required. What is it required?
Require, требовать, require is required.
Uh,
You can type anything there, don't worry. I think you don't have to type or to enter your real address, but you can enter your real address.
mhm. Так, address line 2.
English,
Так,
English,
city.
without talk, without no.
City. Только, for example.
Mhm. Okay, and I think you will be able to finish this registration. Yeah, don't share your screen because there will be a lot of sensitive information because I think it's in stage 4 or 5. I think there are 5 stages there. Yeah, your phone will be shown and nobody needs to see because I don't want to cut this video. Yes, it will take me a lot of time to cut everything, and this is the last thing I want to do. Believe me. Okay.
Okay. Mm,
What do you have there on your side?
I type my card number.
Okay, enter the details of your card, the expiration date, yeah, when your card expires, and then you flip the card or turn it over, and on the other side you will see like those 3 numbers, yeah, and you also need to enter them. What is your bank?
What?
Private? Privat?
Oh, my pen?
Privat?
Yes, yes.
Uh-huh. Private bank, private address, privat, everything is private. Okay.
But maybe I connect with Monobank.
As you wish, as you wish.
Mm-hmm.
And there, after that, if it's privat bank, you will have to go to like uh, PB UA risk, and there on the phone, and you'll have to allow to give a permission to your bank, yeah,
Mm-hmm.
to charge money from your card, and you will be charged $1 or €1. But don't worry, that money will be returned. I think you know this system, yeah? How this is how AWS will test if your card is real. Mhm.
1 minute.
We're doing a lot of useful stuff during our lessons, so I think that for viewers who are watching our videos, our lessons are super helpful. What do you think? Yeah, because we speak
Yeah,
English, we learn so much useful information during our lessons.
it's very difficult to speak only in English.
In English, speak in English.
Yes.
But your potential employers will watch these videos and they will immediately understand that you speak English. But you will have an excuse. My English was bad because I knew that I was being recorded. In real life, my English is better, and really, I know that in real life, your English is much better because it puts additional pressure on you. Yeah, because I know that we are being recorded, and therefore your English is real life is way better. I know that.
Yeah.
My English is also better in real life,
Uh-huh.
way
Okay,
better.
1 minute.
What do you have there? Okay.
Sign into my account. And after that, oops. Account ID. Account ID.
I
Oh,
will
it's my
cut it.
password.
Don't worry. I think I will cut it, or maybe I will not cut it. Who knows? But I think I will cut. Of course. Why do people need to watch this? Yeah.
What is account ID? Maybe.
Okay.
Okay.
Share a screen with me. Don't worry. I will cut it. Sign in using root username. Sign in.
Ah, okay. User root.
Yeah. Email address. And be careful because now. Oh no no. Everything will be okay. I think yes. And now next. And now the password. verification code. Mhm. Yes, yes. And now this is exactly why I asked you to install what? What program app on your phone?
Google
Authenticator. Yeah,
Authenticator.
click on Authenticator app. Scroll down.
Wait a minute. Next.
Next.
Yeah.
Now go to your phone, open your phone, find the app. And now, for now, unshare a screen. Stop sharing a screen. Stop sharing a screen. Yes. And now open the QR code and scan it. And bring your phone to the screen and scan. And on your phone, you will have a new device. In the app, you will see a new device. It will be added right away. Or you will see like in the bottom right corner, you will see a plus sign. Do you see that plus sign in the bottom right corner? Do you see it?
Yes.
Uh-huh.
Yes.
So, and first you need to enter, and do you see those numbers that are changing? So those numbers will change every 30 seconds. Yeah. So in the first window, you will enter those six numbers, I think. Enter them in the first. You have first and second, right? Then you
Yes.
wait
And
30 seconds. Then you wait 30 seconds. And when it's changed, you put another six numbers in the other window. Do you understand?
yes, I do.
You've
I
done
do it.
this.
Oh, yes. That's all.
What do you have?
I
Okay,
can
then
share.
share your screen with me. Share your screen with me. Yes, we are in. Congratulations. We
Yeah.
just created your first AWS account. It's a huge leap ahead.
Oh, yeah.
Now, why did we create this in the first place? Why do we need it? To create virtual machines.
Machine.
Say this at least once. Why do we need AWS in the first place? Please tell me. Create virtual machines.
Great virtual machines.
Like we can do this with Oracle VirtualBox, yeah? But when we create virtual machines with Oracle VirtualBox, we do this on our computer. But here, everybody from all over the world will be able to SSH into our virtual machine. Now tell me one more time, what is a key pair? What is key pair?
It's my private key or what?
Private key and public key. Okay, in search, type EC2. Yeah, in the search box, yeah, search EC2. No,
Copy.
EC2. It's
EC.
EC. It's I. It's I. E.
Да?
Yes, C. 2. Yeah, click on EC2. Do you see this? EC2. Click on it.
This.
Complete your okay. You haven't completed your AWS registration. Click on it. What do we have here? So, what is it? Enter. Type enter maybe.
Enter?
Yes.
How do you enter?
No, no enter. It means that you did something wrong. You didn't complete. Maybe you didn't verify the bank account or something like that.
Maybe. I can
Okay,
sign.
sign into your account. Yes. Okay, don't worry, I will cut it.
Okay.
Mhm.
I add a new payment
Hmm?
method.
Yes, and now leave that page, and share a screen again. Just leave that page, and yes, just don't show your phone anymore to anybody.
Okay, but I
Yes,
want
and
to
share
add
a
my.
screen. Yes, just click on any other window. You just need to leave that page where your phone is shown.
Oh, your credit card has been added successfully.
Yes,
Oh,
added
yes.
successfully. So please now share your screen again with me,
Okay, one
but
minute.
don't show your phone number anymore. Uh,
Okay.
leave that page. I will cut that part where your phone is shown. Are you sharing your screen with me? What?
Mm, uh,
You aren't.
do you
Mm-hmm.
see?
Yes. And here, type EC2 again. EC2. We need EC2. Yes. Yes. Scroll down a bit. Scroll down. No, no. On the left. The column on the left. See key pairs. Key pairs. Do you see it? Elastic
Mm-hmm.
IP. So, and in our future lessons, we'll be working with AWS. We'll be working with Python databases, and we'll be keeping our everything on a virtual machine that we will create here. And I will be able to SSH from my Windows machine, and you will be able to SSH from your Windows machine. Yeah, we'll have like
Mm-hmm.
our joint, yeah, server, and we will choose here Ubuntu server. We can use all possible kinds of operating systems, but we will choose Ubuntu server. Yeah, we can choose any Linux distro, any Linux operating system. CentOS, Ubuntu, like that. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
We will create an instance, and
What is it?
this alone is enough already to get a job. Yeah, but we will work with, like I said, with a lot of different tools. What database will we work with primarily? What database? The name of
Mm,
my What is the name of the database my website is connected to?
post
Postgres. And there is one more. We'll be working with
SQL?
MySQL. MySQL.
MySQL, yes.
Yeah. Okay, now tell me what we have done today.
Ah, it's my.
We need to practice your English. I know that is your weakness, but one more time for everybody who is watching. In real life, Nasta's English is a lot better. She knows that she is being recorded, and that is number one. This is why, her English is not that good. But believe me, in real life, her English is way better. Okay.
Okay. Today we spoke
About,
so
or
we
today
spoke
we
about,
learned how to,
yes,
or we
we learned
revised, we learned
how to SSH with net and with breed
bridged.
no
Yeah,
breed.
we worked with NAT and bridged. How do
Yes,
we move a file?
how to
How do we move files between devices?
we can open no when this device
Is connected
is connected
to
this- to this the same to the one
the same
router,
router.
the same router. Yes, we can type SSH your username at uh, and
And
after that
then
type
a public
your
IP address.
public IP
If it's a
address.
real world situation, then we type a public IP address.
Yes,
If we work with our virtual machines that we create with Oracle VirtualBox, we type the local host, of course.
localhost.
Hmm.
Yes, and when you connect, you can type the command, um, but I don't remember. C, как оно там?
Hmm.
C. Okay, you type this command and type pass, um, where
A path. You type the path.
the path, for example, video
Hmm.
or another file, and after that you
Destination
type
file. Yeah. Hmm.
the yes destination file, and
Or
after that you
folder.
type
Hmm. Okay.
username, and IP address, and that's all,
Hmm.
and enter.
Yes. Why do we need AWS? Why did we do this?
Боже, AWS, we can create a virtual machine.
Yes, it's of course we can do a lot more with AWS, but AWS is a paid service and it costs quite a lot of money. But don't worry, you won't have to pay anything for during the next 6 months.
Mm-hmm.
And why do we need Google Authenticator?
I don't know why I created
Now
AWC with this.
every time when you enter the password, yeah, your username, and you will remember you will have to enter as a root user. And
Mm-hmm.
after that, you open your phone, and there you will enter those 6 numbers every time.
Oh,
Understand?
yes, I
Yeah,
understand.
because without this, um, in 35 days, your account would be like annulled, nullified,
Mhm.
yeah, removed,
Okay.
yeah, because they care about our security. Okay, and this is what we've done today. Now stop sharing your screen and let's say goodbye to each other and to our viewers. And please subscribe to our YouTube channel. There will be so much interesting and useful information. Yeah. Okay,
Yeah,
thank you a lot. See you on
thank
Wednesday.
you.
Bye.
Yes, bye.